Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MileIQ app not working. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using the MileIQ app, but for some reason it's not working. How do you actually go ahead and fix it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, there's numerous reasons as to why the app may not be working. But the first thing that you can do, especially if you're on an Apple device, is that you can actually reset the app. So in order to do so, you want to hold down on the screen and then swipe up until this window format appears. Next, click on the MileIQ app and then drag it upwards like this until it gets closed. Now go ahead and reopen the MileIQ app and then see if it works. Now if that still doesn't fix the issue, the next thing that you can do is go into the settings tab and then see where it says drive detection. Click on drive detection and you want to make sure that this is turned on. So with it, you can actually read some troubleshooting options where what determines a drive detection best practices, do I need to have Wi-Fi on? But just make sure that this is enabled and that should fix the MileIQ app to work. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix the MileIQ app not working. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.